Modern Real Estate Practice, page 457. Section 3, fractions, decimals, and percentages. What are the parts of a fraction? A fraction shows one number over another number. The denominator on the bottom of the fraction shows the number of equal parts in the whole or total. The numerator on the top of the fraction shows the number of those parts with which you are working. In the example below, the whole or total has been divided into 8 equal parts, and you have 7 of those equal parts. The numerator is over the denominator. The numerator is the top number and the denominator is the bottom number. What is meant by a proper and improper fraction? The value of a proper fraction is always less than 1 whole. 7/8 is an example of a proper fraction. 7/8 represents 7 parts out of 8 parts needed to make 1 whole. All proper fractions have a numerator smaller than the denominator. For example, 5/8 or 3/4. The fraction 11/8 is an example of an improper fraction. The value of an improper fraction is always equal to or greater than 1 whole. The improper fraction 11/8 states that you have 11 parts, but only need 8 parts to make 1 whole. All improper fractions have a numerator larger than the denominator. What is a mixed number? 11.5 is a mixed number. It consists of a whole number and a fraction. How do I multiply fractions? When multiplying fractions, numerator is multiplied by numerator, and denominator by denominator. Let's start with an easy question. What is 1/2 times 3/4? First, multiply the numerators, which are the top numbers. 1 times 3 equals 3. Then multiply the denominators, which are the bottom numbers. 2 times 4 equals 8. Thus, 1/2 times 3/4 equals 3/8. End of page.